I'm Momo, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to go over how I do my basic cosplay makeup. I will go over the basic steps so that you may easily change it up based on your facial features or the character you're trying to cosplay. However, if you want a more in-depth makeup tutorial for a specific type of makeup, feel free to let me know down below or in my cosplay pages. Continuing on, be sure to always start with a freshly washed and moisturized face. Also, it might be easiest to pull your hair back. Next, wet your beauty blender enough to be moistened. This will prevent it from soaking too much of your foundation cream. Then, apply either a BB or CC cream to it. Preferably, I like BB cream since it's light and because I'll be going over it with a powder foundation. I just used a typical store brand BB cream found at any drugstore. Of course, don't forget to blend your cream in. As soon as you're done, you can start applying a powder foundation according to your shade. Be sure to blend carefully around your eyes and the edges of your face. Now, you can get started on your eyeshadow. For a standard look, I tend to go with a neutral color. This palette is one I got off the Wish app for only a couple bucks. If you need to, feel free to add more powder foundation to them if you messed up, or if you want to lighten up the color a little bit. Next, start adding your eyeliner. I prefer the liquid pen eyeliner since it goes on well without making a mess. With my top lid, I tend to make a thick line with the eyeliner. This should take about half your eyelid or less. With my bottom lid, I start from about the center of the lid and up to where I want my wing to be. Then I connect the wing to my upper lid. If you want, you can add a white or lighter skin tone liner for the remaining portion of your bottom eyelid, especially if you feel that you may need to widen your eyes a little more. Here, I recommend curling your lashes to help open your eyes for a larger eye look. This especially helps with anime characters. Typically, you want to start at the base and move up, holding for about 30 seconds each. I'd recommend adding your falsies before your mascara. This way you can curl your lashes into the falsies, as well as use it as a block to prevent mascara from going on your lid. If you're not comfortable with lashes, either try applying them with some sort of tweezers, or you can skip this step completely. However, by skipping this step, your eyes may not look as large. I prefer large Dolly falsies. After you've curled your lashes into your falsies, you can now start mascara. This is a mascara I got off Wish. Not only was it cheap, but I'm absolutely in love with how well it applies. If you skipped applying falsies, I'd recommend using a primer before your mascara to help thicken and lengthen your lashes. Here, you will now be able to apply your eyebrow makeup. If you're having difficulties finding a specific eyebrow color, you can get away with applying some eyeshadow and then using a plain eyebrow or eyelash brush to better match your more unusual hair colors. Now, how you want to do your lipstick is all up to you, but here's a quick trick if you want both glossy lips and the ombre look that's popular in Korea. First, apply a decent amount of lipstick to the center of your lips. Then, wipe off any extra lip gloss on your applicator. Once done, wipe your lipstick similarly to how you normally would for the ombre look. This will make them look glossy and decrease the lipstick's color as they go further from the center, giving you that traditional Korean ombre look, while at the same time giving you that sausage lip look that a lot of people like. Once done, you will now have a Dolly look that will work with almost any cosplay. If you feel your face isn't quite the right shape, I'd recommend using contour to give the illusion of the face type you want, although I don't feel this is very necessary. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe to me, or follow me on my other pages. Or if you want to support what I do here, follow me on my Patreon. Otherwise, ta-ta for now!